This is our fourth episode on Humpy series. In our last episode, we saw Queen's Bath and mysteries of royal enclosure. Today, let's see how royal elephants were taken care of and the Alankrit Mahadwar. Now we are entering Zanana enclosure and this is Queen's Palace.
I have to eat like elephant if I have to really cover this place in a day. Their place in Humpy was definitely meant to be special, and we're going to see the stable wherein elephant lived once upon a time. There you go.
Elephant stable is one of those structures which survived Mughal attacks.
यार मतलब उनके भी ठाट थे, उनको रहने के लिए भी पूरा carving. Not bad. And then you have these small passages, see, of as tall as me. I can just an inch taller. Oof. That's Abhay, who is shooting since morning and not at all tired. Thank you, darling.
That you can see sealed were entries to Mahots, one who rides the elephants. This staircase could actually take you on top but is now concealed for its preservance. This structure has 11 domes. Center is temple architecture and rest 10 are Islamic. This was called guards' quarters where Mahot stayed. Now it has converted into a small museum.
We are just passing through this stable now of elephants, and now we are our own guides. We are just walking through so that we can explore by ourselves. So the journey continues. Okay, everywhere there are structures. Some are identified and some are not. See the carvings.
This is Vishnu or Vaishnava temple on the way to Mahadwar and lot of other small structures on the way.
अलंकृत महाद्वार हम 1 किलोमीटर चले हैं ये देखने के लिए. I will tell you whether you should walk that much or not.
The not so very popular place is Alankrit Mahadwar, but our experience says otherwise.
So this looks like a dwar, which is really huge. Half of its structure is fallen. But you can see big sculptures done on it.
This is Parshvanath Jain Basadi.
When there were no cranes, nothing, and you take these huge stones and pile up on top, beautiful architecture. How is the big question that I want to ask myself and find out the answer someday.
This is Madhav or Ranganath temple, but people call it Ranga temple. Besides this temple, you can also see our goddess shrine.
Basically, Madhav is Krishna, so Madhav temple.
So we'll take you back to Zanana enclosure and show you Lotus temple where Queen stayed and how they were guarded.
तो हम देखेंगे ना कल?
Yes.
अच्छा ठीक है, कल देखेंगे.
Monuments रहते हैं 6 बजे को बंद करेंगे.
अच्छा.
Now we are heading back to see sunset near Virupaksha Hillock. Here monuments close by 5:30 to 6 p.m.
So we are heading back now. This is the first temple we started from, Krishna temple. And the sunset hopefully will be able to catch it along with you. This is Ganesh. The way we are running as if there is no other day. Hey, careful. Don't want you to miss this. Hey, carrying its baby there. Check. It can still hold the water. You know, on top of the hill. It's month of March, end of March actually. You think that this rock stood by themselves or they are kept like that? See, it looks like all are diyas. This tired bun. It's hot. Stand. This is must, otherwise you're gonna dehydrate. So 6 o'clock you wind off from here, and this is the scene that you'll see in the evening. He will come with a stick and tell everybody, go, go, 6 o'clock, it's done. We're walking. So this is Virupaksha temple. You will see that, you know, these are not in line actually, but if you go to see with the position, then they are exactly, you know, facing each other. See, that's the exit gate. That's tired Abhay and energetic me.
This place is really peaceful, guys, because the entire day in the month of March is so hot, but the moment you are here on the hillock, the ambience is so amazing. The music from the temple fills this place with so much of spiritual power, and all your tiredness vanishes.
हेमकुट दरवाजे पे ये क्या कर दिया है किसी ने?
So this is the end of our first day in Hampi. We will start early tomorrow as we gonna visit भगवान हनुमान जी का दर्शन करेंगे हम, और वो जगह देखेंगे जहाँ माना जाता है that's his birthplace. So not to miss all this fun, you will have to subscribe to Namrata's Travel Trails, and let's spread the joy of traveling.